Let us solve a linked list problem today. Add 1 to a linked list. What we need to do is, here a number is represented in the form of a linked list. We need to take the number as a whole and add 1 to it so that the result looks like this. But the problem arises in the value of the carry. For example, if I have 459, the value is going to be 460. So for doing this and handling the carry within the given optimal space and time, we are going to solve this using the approach. Let us reverse the list first. Let us say the previous value of the node is none and the current value is the head. Let us iterate to the current value and take a temp value of the current dot next. Reset the current value to prev. Let us return the previous value, and after that, after reversing this, let us add 1. If I have 4, if I have 999 here or 459, the reversed value becomes 954. So I add 1 to the start, and if I add 1, let us keep track of the value. If the value of the data, take the carry as Z1 initially. If the value of the carry is greater than 9, set the data to 0 and the current to carry to 0, else what we need to do in the last is, if we are in the end of the node, the previous dot data is 0. Let us set the next value to a new node and increment the prev each and every time and return p1. Let us try this out. Not working. Maybe the problem is here in the reversing logic. Let us try this again. You can see that now it works. Let us submit this. And here's the detailed solution. Thank you.